Hi children, I hope you are doing well. When you watch this video of mine, see that you sit along with your English language textbook and English language workbook. Today we'll do both. First we'll do English language textbook page number 26. It's written here A. Circle the plural form of each noun that correctly fits the sentence below. So it's a sentence here with two options. So we have to circle which one is correct, the plural form. Okay, so let's start. First one, my mother gave me a pair of sock. So plural form, so this will be the correct one. So circle this. Next one, I have two erasers in my pencil box. So this one is the correct one. Circle. Third one, there are more than 100 countries in the world. So this one is the correct one. Next, the dishes are on the table. So this one is the correct one. Fifth, the leaves on the tree are green. So this one is the correct one. Next, sixth one, the policeman caught the thieves. So this is the correct one. Number 7, the boxes are too heavy for me to carry. So this one. 8th, the cat ran after the mices. So this one is the correct one. Mice. 9th, there are many bushes in the park. So this one is the correct one. Last one, 10th one, Meena has many dresses in her cupboard. So we'll circle this one. So I hope children now you know how to do page number 26. Now we'll do page number 27. It's written here B. Look at the underlined nouns in the sentences given below. Write S if they are singular and write P if they are plural. If it's one, so it's singular, S, and if it's more than one, plural, then we have to write P. So first one, I have some books in my bag, many books. So we'll write here P. Second, my friend came to my house yesterday. Friend, one friend. So singular, S. Third one, my tooth is hurting. Tooth means one, okay? So singular S. Next one, my father brought eggs from the market. Eggs means many. So P. Next one, we were shown a movie in school today. So movie means one movie. So singular S. Sixth one, the rats are running in the Arctic. So rats. So again you will write here P. Next one, yesterday we went to play in the park. Singular S. Next one, there is a big tomato in the basket. So one, okay, tomato. So S. Radha has many dresses in her cupboard. Dresses mean many. So we'll write here P. Next one, the baby is crying. Baby, singular. So S. Next one, we visited a lot of beaches in Goa. Many. Beaches mean many. So we write here P. Next one, I bought a loaf of bread from the baker. So one. So singular. S we have to write. Next one, there are many mangoes on the tree. Mangoes many. So here we'll write P. Last one, I like working on my computer. So one computer. So S. So I hope children now you know how to do page number 27 also. Now we'll do English language workbook. Page number 29. Here. English Language Workbook, page number 29. Here it's written E. Tick the correct form of the nouns in the brackets. You can see there are sentences with brackets, and whichever one is correct, we have to tick that. Okay. So start. Rita is getting ready for schools. So she is going to one school, no? So school. So tick this one. Next one. She has packed her bags. So only one bag she has to take it to school. So this one. Then put on her uniforms. So this one will be the correct one. And socks. So this one. And now she is looking for her shoes. So this is the correct one. She found one behind the only chairs. So this one. In her rooms. One room. But the other one once was not to be found. So one. Okay, one she had found, only one was left to be found. Next one. Rita looked under a pile of books. So this one. She looked under her tables. So table, one table. If you see the picture carefully. Table 2. She finally found the other shoe in the drawing room, and all the while she thought that it was under her beds. So one bed. This one. Then from that days means from that day, single day. So one. Onwards, she was very careful with her things. Many. And put them by in their proper places. So this one. So now we are going to do page number 30. Page number 30 is written here F. For each singular noun, write its plural form. For each plural noun, write its singular form. Now you can see it's all mixed up and written. Like here it's singular form, we have to give plural form. And here plural form is given, we have to write singular form. Okay. So first one, dog will be dogs. Boats. Here if you see plural is given, we have to write singular form. Cats, cat. Table, tables. Ox, singular form, oxen. Oxen, plural form. Babies, baby. Areas, area. Churches, church. Singular form. Loaves, loaf. Leaves, leaf. This one. Cities, city. Bench, benches. Lamps, lamp. Dresses, dress. Country, countries. Next one, star, stars. Then computer, computers. Then children, child. Singular form. Rocket, rockets. The last one, goose, geese. I hope children now you know how to do page number 26 and 27 of English language textbook and page number 29 and 30 of English language workbook. If not, you can watch my video once again. Till then, bye. and take care.